Hi, welcome back to Just Simple. This video will be about GS paper 1 geography questions of 2014. This is series A question paper. We will be referring UPSC answer keys. So for your reference, we will also be attaching the answer keys at the end of the video. We will be doing it syllabus wise, and you can check the syllabus which is covered with these questions, and also will be giving you mains questions related to geography at the end of the video. I'll also be sharing a tip in between. So let's quickly get into the geography questions. We have around 15 questions this year. So let's see the first question. Which one of the following pairs of islands is separated from each other by the 10-degree channel? Options: A. Andaman and Nicobar, B. Nicobar and Sumatra, C. Maldives and Lakshadweep, D. Sumatra and Java. So you can even give your answers in the comment section below, which will help you to know how much you might score. You will get in geography section to check where your which sections you are strong at and improve on it. So let's see the answer for this question. The answer will be A. Andaman and Nicobar. So 10-degree channel is in between Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman in the north and the Nicobar in the south, they are separated by a water body which is called as 10-degree channel. So I'll be showing you a map which will help you to see it. So here you can see, here this is Andaman. You can see 10-degree channel over here, and then Nicobar at the bottom. So Andaman and Nicobar are separated by 10-degree channel. Next question. The second geography question is, which of the following phenomena might have influenced the evolution of organisms? So points are continental drift, glacial cycles. Select the correct answer using the code given below. So let's see the answers first. How do we get into the answer? Here, continental drift, they are asking which have influenced the evolution of organisms. Continental drift, yes, it influences in evolution of organisms, as the movement of earth causes in evolution of the organisms. So we all know there is a drifting of the continents theory. When earlier the continents were all one, and then it later started getting drifted from each other. There are various theories on this, where the movement of the continents happens here. When the continents are moving from one towards different directions, the evolution of organisms also happen. When it comes to glacial cycle, yes, that is also influences the evolution. How is that? When the continents move towards the north, towards the pole, there is a low energy, and then when there are low energy, there is the low energy is caused because of low solar energy, and which leads to less vegetation. And glacial, again, the melting of the cycle which happens, it is interval of time within ice age and with colder temperature. When the ice melts, when the changes happen, the evolution of organisms also happen. So the answer for this question would be both 1 and 2, C. If you walk through countryside, you are likely to see some birds stalking alongside the cattle to seize the insects disturbed by their movement through grasses. Which of the following are such birds? 1. Painted stork, 2. Common myna, 3. Black-necked crane. Here, this is the factual question. The answer for this would be B. 2 only, common myna, which is commonly seen by us. If you travel through the Himalayas, you are likely to see which of the following plants naturally growing there? 1. Oak, 2. Rhododendron, 3. Sandalwood. Over here we can use a elimination method. We can see we can strike out sandalwood because sandalwood is native to South India. So in that way they are asking naturally growing tree. So if you could eliminate sandalwood, so we are only left with A. The answer for this question is A. Consider the following pairs: region often in use and country. Towards the left we can see the regions which are in use, and towards the right we have our countries which they are in. So first one, Chincha, it's in Russian Federation. 2, Darfur, Mali. 3, Swat Valley, Iraq. So we have to see which are the countries which they are located in. So over here Darfur is not in Mali, it's in Sudan. It's in the west part of Sudan of Africa. Swat Valley is in Pakistan. So if we eliminate 2 and 3, we are left with 1 only. So the answer for this question is A, 1 only. So you can even see the map. So this is Darfur, Sudan, which is part of Africa. So Darfur is in the western side of Africa, Sudan. Next question. Which of the following have coral reefs? 1, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 2, Gulf of Kutch. 3, Gulf of Mannar. 4, Sundarbans. So over here also we can use the elimination method, whereas Sundarban we don't find coral reefs as such, but we do find Sundari trees and also the mangroves which are famous for it. So in that way if we eliminate 4, we are left with 1 and 3, 1, 2, 3, and all these are coasts, and we also we have to find whether 2 is right or not. Yes, 2, Gulf of Kutch is right. So in that way our answer will be A, 1, 2, 3. Consider the following rivers: Barak, Lohit, Subansri. Which of the above flows through Arunachal Pradesh? So over here Barak does not flow through Arunachal Pradesh, it flows in Manipur. So if we eliminate 1, we only have option B, which is 2 and 3. So our answer is B, 2 and 3. Consider the following pairs. Towards the left we have wetlands, towards the right we have the rivers which will meet together. Here Harike wetlands, confluence of Bias and Satluj. 2, Keoladeo Ghana National Park, confluence of Banas and Chambal. Kolleru Lake, confluence of Musi and Krishna. So let's see the answers. Over here the wetland, the first option is correct. Harike wetland, it is on the confluence of Bias and Satluj, whereas Kolleru is under is where Krishna and Godavari meets, Kolleru Lake, and then Banas and Chambal where the national park which is there is Ranatambur National Park. So the answer for this question is A, 1 only. The seasonal reversal of winds is a typical characteristic of options: equatorial climate, B, Mediterranean climate, C, monsoon climate, D, all of the above climates. The answer would be monsoon climate, which is well known. The reversal of winds are monsoon. The reason for monsoon climate, again Mediterranean, it would be shifting of belts. So consider the following pairs. Towards the left we have hills, towards the right we have the regions where they are located. So option 1, point 1, Cardamom Hills, Coromandel Coast. Kaimur Hills, Konkan Coast. Mahadeo Hills, Central India. Mikir Hills, Northeast India. The options are here. So let's see the map. With the help of map we can get into this. So Cardamom Hills are not part of Coromandel coast. So they are in the Western Ghats, whereas Coromandel coast it's in the with Tamil Nadu. Cardamom is in the Western Ghats, where it meets the Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And Kaimur Hills is not in Konkan coast again. Kaimur Hills are over here, where you can see it over here, nearby to Aravalli range. And then Mahadeo is in central India, and then Mikir Hills are over here in the northeast. So with this understanding, over here we will be able to eliminate now. So Cardamom Hills are not over in Coromandel coast, Kaimur are not in Konkan coast, Mahadeo is, yes, it's in central India, and Mikir Hills are also in northeast India. So our answer would be C, 3 and 4. The tip that I told I'll be sharing you all is, when it comes to geography, always it is best to refer the maps, so it helps us in remembering the geographical location. Pictorial representation will always be helpful. Turkey is located between options Black Sea and Caspian Sea, B, Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea, C, Gulf of Suez and Mediterranean Sea, D, Gulf of Aqaba and Dead Sea. So again, for this we can use the map. For your reference, I'll show you the map and then you can get to know Turkey. So we have the map of Turkey here. You can see where Turkey lies. It lies in between Black Sea and this is our Mediterranean Sea. So Turkey is in between Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. The answer for this question would be B, Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Next question. What is the correct sequence of occurrence of the following cities in Southeast Asia as one proceeds from south to north? Bangkok, Hanoi, Jakarta, Singapore. So to get this answer, we can again see the map and arrange them accordingly. So Jakarta, you can find it over here. This is at the bottom most, and then Singapore. So since they have asked south to north, so Jakarta, Singapore, and then we have Bangkok over here. We have Hanoi over here. So it is Jakarta, Singapore, Bangkok, and then Hanoi. So let's see. Jakarta 3, Singapore 4, Bangkok 1, Hanoi 2. So answer would be C. Consider the following pairs. Towards the left we have the region, towards the right we have well known for the production of. So these places are well known for the production of these. So let's see whether they match. First, Kannaur, Arkanat. 2, Mewat, mango. 3, Coromandel coast, soybean. So let's see. Kannaur over here, it is in Himachal Pradesh, so it is not famous for Arkanat. Arkanat is mostly found in South India, so that's not right. And Mewat again, this is wrong. Mango is famous in Central India and South India. So again, option Kannaur is in Himachal Pradesh. Mewat is in Haryana, nearby to Haryana and Rajasthan, nearby Aravalli Hills. And then Coromandel, soybean. Coromandel is a coastline and soybean is majorly grown in central India. So in that way, none of the options are right, none of them match. The answer would be D. Consider the following towns of India: Bhadrachalam, Chanderi, Kanchipuram, Karnal. Which of the above are famous for the production of traditional saris or fabric? So here they are asking which are famous for traditional saris. So we can try to eliminate. So Chanderi and Kanchipuram are silk saris, known for silk sari. Bhadrachalam is a place, and Karnal again is not famous for sari as such. In that way, our answer would be 2 and 3. B is the right answer. So it is a famous place. Bhadrachalam is a famous tourist place in Odisha, and then Karnal is in Haryana, which are their consider the following pairs: National Highway towards the left and cities connected towards the right. NH4 Chennai and Hyderabad, NH6 Mumbai and Kolkata, NH15 Ahmedabad and Jodhpur. So now the NH National Highway, there are difference. They have changed it now. At that point of time, if you see, all the options are wrong. So the answer for this question would be D, none. At that point of time, NH4 was connected between Mumbai to Chennai, which connects Bengaluru also. And then so NH4 Chennai, it's not Chennai and Hyderabad, it's from Mumbai to Chennai. So we are done with the 15 geography questions. The next video you can find the next geography questions of 2015. You can check the description box below for the further other subject questions year by year, subject wise, syllabus wise. You can also see the mains questions coming up next, and also with the answer keys given. So thank you for watching, and have a good day. I'll get you in the next video. Until then, it's just simple signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.